What is up, people of the internet? And I bet you guys clicked on this video because you wanted to know how to make a paper airplane. Well, today, after many years of research, I have finally concluded the best possible way to make a paper airplane idiot proof. So anybody should be able to figure out how to do this. Very simple, bear with me. You're gonna need 4 very simple items for this. And one, you're gonna need some tea, because yes, you're gonna need paper. You're gonna need a Rubik's Cube, because don't worry about it, we'll get there. And finally, you're gonna need some, did I say paper? Yes, that's the 4th one. Step 1, after working so hard and getting all these items, you're probably gonna be very exhausted. So in order to supply the energy required for this extensive and very heavy project that you have at hand, you may take some tea. If you drink coffee, you're a loser. Coffee is pretty disgusting. Alright, ready to move on to step 2. What was step 2? Alright, the Rubik's Cube. Just put it somewhere in the background. It looks nice. Alright, now we're ready to move on to step 3. Alright, so to start, what you want to do is just fold it like this. You want to hold it vertically, like this. Then you fold it. Nice and easy. Make sure the corners match at the top and the bottom. So like that you get the best results. And you fold it well, because if you don't, it's just going to come out terrible. Next, after that, what you want to do is just fold it around the line like this, and it should be perfect. Next, after that, just fold it one more time like this. And then you got it. Honestly, I should be sponsored by JetBlue, because honestly, look at the architecture in this. Just fold it like this, and you got yourself something that looks like this. Now fold it one more time to make the wings. The wings like that. Then do it again like so. And you got yourself a plane. This is another one, and this is how not to do it. This was a failed attempt. So if you get something like that, you officially messed up. Also, when you're folding it, make sure you don't fold it like this. It's gonna come out bad. And then that's it. So as you can see, building a plane is not very hard unless you're absolutely brain dead, which I hope if you manage to click on this video, you're not. So that's how you do it. After many long years of researching and learning about the arts of origami and plane architecture, I figured out the physics that manipulate the air pressure with the wings. So yeah, I got a PhD on it. I could go on this and give you guys a lecture on it, but you know, I don't like to show off like that. After doing I think it was 10 years, yeah, about a decade of researching the sign, textures, air pressure, global warming. As the son of the CEO of Delta and the founder of American Airlines, I have something to live up to, and you know, I decided to keep my studies sort of related in a sense. I got a lot of skills, but I'm humble, so it's just something I'm not trying to do in this channel. I will leave a link in the description below where I have a whole lecture discussing the science behind all of this. So if you guys are really interested in that, the link will be in the description. And as always, stay clutching.